Welcome to Creative English Vocabulary, a fast, easy and fun way to learn English words and phrases. Produced by creativeenglishvocabulary.com. English vocabulary for children and ESL students. Vocabulary Lesson 1. Play. Definition. Play means to do things that are fun. For example, these children might to play in the park. What is your favorite game to play? Play. Be.
Definition. Be is the word that tells what or where something is. For example, they like to be on the same team. Boys and girls can be on the same team.
Be. And. Definition. And connects two words and means also. For example, the children share the paper and paint. The kids use the crayons and markers. And. Thanks for watching. You are welcome to learn more lessons. Produced by creativeenglishvocabulary.com.